Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video daily and follow my YouTube video.
So we found this at Target. It's so cool. You can record like this. Watch. In today's videos, we're gonna do Loungfly Mini Backpack unboxing.
In today's videos, we're gonna do Loungfly Mini Backpack unboxing.
There you got it. So let's get started today's video. Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers. Okay, oh my goodness, I want to tell this person, he ruined me. He's the one who introduced me this Loungfly backpack. I'm really addicted to it. I mean, I'm gonna tell you guys this. I really like them and I really want to buy them all, but I'm really scared because those backpacks are huge. And they have a new backpack every freaking single day, literally. So, but I'm not collecting them. I'm just gonna buy the one I like, and I'm gonna do quite a few giveaway between now and Christmas, just so you know that. So I got this 3 Loungfly Mini Backpack at an awesome collectible in Paramount, and I was introduced by Giuseppe and Janice. Thanks a lot. Between you two and Rich Lux, ruin me. But let me open the first one, and I'm going to talk about why I like about this backpack, and you know, pros and cons about this, and you know. Okay, so the first one I want to show, I've been using this for a couple times already. This is the Mickey Mouse. They're kind of like a, I don't know what you call, like a plastic pouch thing. This is so iconic. It is the Mickey Mouse. I mean, you got the Mickey face, the red, you know, his outfit. And let me turn this around. It's all black, but then this red strap right here. I like this material, and I like this kind of color because you won't get dirty. Seriously, some of the backpack I'm going to show you later, you can get dirty pretty fast, I think. And I like the front pocket. And let me show you inside. You see that Mickey and Minnie right there? Super cute. I mean, I'm not the expert on Loungfly Mini Backpack, but I am the expert for luxury brand like Louis Vuitton and Chanel. And I feel like this backpack are designed for people who go to Disney a lot, I think. Because this thing holds a lot of items. Your water bottle, your raincoat, your money, your snack, you know, everything you want, it will fit all in this backpack. Let me show you. It's humongous. I'm really impressed. The backpack, I think, a little bit more pricier than most of similar backpacks. This is between $79 to $100. However, the attention to detail is what I'm looking for. It's so well made. I mean, it's really, really nice. And so this is, I don't really understand the Loungfly Mini Backpack. You can buy those backpacks at Disneyland, right? But a lot of the backpack I'm showing you, you cannot find in Disneyland. It's a third-party resale store, but each store carry different design, so it's very confused to me. So to find those backpacks is really, really hard. And what I like about my awesome collectible place, they have over hundreds of Loungfly Mini Backpack you can choose from. So I don't have to go online, try to find them. It's just a lot of work. When I go to Disney, I kind of dress up a little bit and to be part of that magical moment. And depends on what I'm wearing different backpacks to match this, to match my outfit. So this is the one I've been wearing lately for about 3 or 4 times. During the Halloween, I was wearing Oogie Boogie, and that backpack sold out so quickly. So this is the one I want to show you. Now I want to show you another one. This two is very interesting. I want to show you. They both are the Christmas collections. One is this year, and the other one is from last year. And I'm going to tell you why I bought the last year one. I'm actually blown away. I'm going to tell you why later. But let me show you the latest Disney Loungefly Mini Backpack for Christmas. It comes like that. Whoa! So it depends where you find it. I mean, some of the Loungefly reseller store, you need to be on a waiting list. But at this particular, you can get it right away, and it's also very limited quality too. So this particular one is retail for $100. It is a little bit more expensive than the regular Loungefly Mini Backpack. But what is so cool about this particular version is, let me show you. Let me move this all out. I want to be careful on this one because I think this is going to be future giveaway. So I don't want to damage this too much. This particular one, it holds a ear right here, like a little pocket. So when you get tired of wearing your Mickey ear, you can put it in here. Mickey ear usually sell between $29 to $39.99, even up to $49.99 Disney right now. So this is one of the ear comes with this backpack. So let me kind of show you this. Super cute for Christmas this year, right? And not only you can use this for holding your Mickey ear, you can also use to put any item in here. There's also a front pocket right here. So this particular one is more like a snowman with a Mickey ear and with their snowman Mickey ear and a Mickey sweater and candy cans. Very festival, I think. Like so magical, like a holiday. So it's really cool that they're using one piece material right here, but the pocket is add-on, so they sew over it. And then there's an image a little bit different back here. And then they also have the large space back here. Let me show you guys. They are holding a lot of tissue paper, and some of you were telling me that the reason why they put in the paper is they can hold the shape of the backpack. I said, okay, that makes sense. Let me know how many Loungefly Mini Backpack you currently have. If I didn't do a giveaway, I would have 10 already. But right now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So look at this. Inside, it's all Christmas. Oh, it's so cute. And then the strap here, it's kind of rubbery, soft texture. So it's really easy to carry on your shoulder. It's fantastic. And I'm going to show you how I normally carry my backpack. So when I do crossbody, I really like the pocket on the side so I can get my stuff out. And then I put my wallet right here. I don't really open the big packet back here because, you know, I don't want to get stuff loose, but just this is how I usually like it. And when I get really tired, watch, I can put my hand right here. Oh, so comfortable. Let me know what you think about this one. Another thing I want to share with you is I'm not sure for this collections, but most of the mini backpack at Disneyland, even though it's the same design, you will see the pattern slightly different. And that's so unique about Loungefly. And because their logo, the pattern can be slightly different. So you can really pick and choose what connects you the most. I would say that. So it's pretty unique. Very, very unique. Okay, let me put this back in here again. So cute. So this is this year's Christmas Loungefly Mini Backpack. Now, I want to show you last year. Ta-da! This is the last year one. Let me just open this up first. There's a lot of noise. Oh. You guys ready? This is actually the most expensive Loungefly Mini Backpack I ever purchased right now. It is at $125, and this is the last year. So I was really confused. This is the last year, but why is this more expensive than this year? So the sales lady at the store told me that this particular design, everybody is looking for it. I just recently got into this. I have no idea. You tell me, are they telling me the truth, or they just try to make money off me? They told me last year's Christmas backpack is what everybody wants. So you can see it's slightly different how they hold the ear. See that? So what they're doing here is there's no more front zipper pocket. Instead, they use the pocket to hold the ear. But you know what? I gotta tell you right away, immediately. Let me show you guys this. Right now, any Loungfly Mini Backpack who holds Mickey ears, they were using this type of kind of sad ribbon material. It is really, this part's really, really cheap, right? But I just noticed now, for the last year, so for this particular one, it is way better material to hold the ear, and you can see the clips right here. So it's definitely better quality, way better than this really flimsy ribbon material, right? So I think that alone make a difference. And then I also notice the back charm, Mickey Mouse gingerbread right here. See that? This is part of the zipper. So yeah, I mean, but this color, I honestly don't really like the base color. It looks kind of like a yellow, like an egg yolk color. It's a very bizarre color. I don't know. But let's see. Let me move this out. So take a look inside. It's the blue base color with snow in there and Mickey Mouse, and then alternate with Mickey and Minnie in there. Very cute. It also have a zipper, back zipper here, and the back zipper also lined with the print too. So inside's the same. The only thing I wish they have is the side pocket, like this, because I like this a lot to put my phone in there, things like that. So yeah, please let me know if anybody owned this from last year, and was this really that popular everybody want, or I got scammed. Now let's look at the year one, the year right here. So this is the year. It feels, this is cute, but I think this made better material and quality. See that? And then on the side it says Loungfly. Let me take a look. Do you like this ear? Or do you like this ear? Now I have a 3 mini backpack right here, right? Which one I personally think is the most rare one? I have to say, not the Mickey one. This is the most iconic. Everybody know what this is. And this one's really great for all season, all year. It never go out of style. I do believe that you will need one like this, so you don't need to change the backpack all the time. Christmas, Halloween backpack, they are way too seasonal. So then if you're on a budget, then don't do that. Between these two, I will have to say this is the most unique one, because the lady told me that this is from last year and they brought it back for very limited quantity because there's a huge demand for that. And I can see why, because it's a little bit more detail for this backpack, and the material to hold the ear is way better quality than this. So I would say this one, but why don't you guys tell me, between these three, which one do you think is the more valuable or more rare, you know, has better value? Since I'm new to the Loungfly Mini Backpack community, and I would love to hear from you. Like I always say to you guys, that Mr. Jun Only One channel, it's not my YouTube channel, it's our YouTube channel. So far we have 30,000 people follow here, right? Imagine every one of you share one tip regarding the backpack, or even just 10,000. Then we get that 10,000 priceless, valuable information that we cannot get from anywhere else. So definitely leave a comment below and share the information and knowledge with all of us, and that will be so wonderful. And by the way, I started to notice that a lot of you instead say, I love your video, which I love that, but you really provide additional feedback or tip and trick, well, depends the video that we are creating. So that's just so rewarding that, you know, I'm creating this small community, and I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I mean, it just means so much. Thank you so much for watching my video daily. It means a lot to me, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Check out my Instagram story, and we're gonna be at Disneyland. Bye.